Right now, success in mortgage requires a reinvestment in relationships. You have the opportunity to build market share by moving relationships. Moving relationships away from competitors and towards you. Moving them from cold and distant to active and engaged. From the unknown to the known. This is a human process built on trust and differentiation. And there's no better way to move people digitally than through video messages in the moments that matter most. In those key moments, Vist improves every one of your loan officer's total expert journeys for higher pull-through from lead to loan, better post-sale follow-up, and more real estate referrals, and higher volume plus more market share overall. Vist is BombBomb's patented technology that personalizes your LO's digital communication. It gives your LOs a short to-do list with guidance to record specific videos without your marketing team having to walk them through it. Then automatically inserts those videos into the right email in the right journey and start sending immediately. It's an easy and cost-effective way to help every single loan officer in your company spark more conversations and close more loans. Learn how Vist can help you, your marketing team, and your entire mortgage company. I look forward to our conversation about BombBomb's new mortgage solution, Vist.